Hey guys, so we're going to do an update on our final of what we did with the new area and just show you how everything is set up right now. We'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, okay, so quick little thing, we're gonna start over here. This used to have my snapdragons. Let me get down here so you can see what's here. So this used to have my snapdragons and one of my pansies next to my little red kale here. But because this area is super shaded out, and also because I saw my hose dripping a lot this morning, I decided to move them. So my pansy got moved with all the other pansies, this pretty little orange one here. There was a snapdragon there, so I just swapped them spaces. Since they didn't establish roots in the ground just yet, they were still in their little, the little plug of dirt that they came in. I also moved my red Rio. I can't pronounce the other name to it, but if you Google Rio flowers, these guys come up. So we're just gonna call it the Rio for now.
There's two pink here.
The pink one I left that one there because it was in the way of our T section or cross section here, and I still have to fix the rest of the drippers so we can bury it, so I needed to move it. I had some cats come in my yard and they messed up my pots, and I was all super upset, but I got one little new guy right here. I don't know what he is yet. Might be a melon, but we're gonna find out here as soon as it grows. My Icelandic poppy has a new flower. Super excited. It popped up this morning. I missed the popping up part, but I saw it and didn't think it was real, and then my husband pointed it out again. Everything else over here is doing pretty well. The other red Rio's right there. The peas aren't doing great still, but we'll work on that later. And all the lettuce and everything. Everything got fertilized just a little bit ago. My husband helped me with that. My bush beans are doing wonderful. And everything else is pretty much the same. We'll just walk through that. But that jug still doesn't have anybody in it yet, but I think it's just too cold out here right now. So this is everything I have right now still. The small kales are starting to do a little bit better. They got a little bigger this morning, so that was nice. My little tomato that I've nicknamed Honey Tim isn't doing anything different. The tomatoes haven't gotten any bigger. So I'm not sure what's up with him, but we're just gonna let him be.
It went dormant.
Yeah, it could have went dormant, honey. I don't even know at this point. Anybody got any suggestions? Let me know. I have some more tomatoes. Actually, they're right up there. I don't know if you guys can see them. Those are my other tomatoes waiting to come outside. Peppers are still the same. Over here. Onions still the same. That guy is still kind of sad over there. Don't know why. Alright, so this is the final of what we did with the little dugout section here that we did for the new, I guess right now it's a flower bed. We still have to work on this section right here, but we'll get to that later. So we planted all of the flowers here. The roses are in the corner. That's the Double Delight right there. We have an Icelandic poppy, and that one lost its flowers. It'll come back. It's a new snapdragon. That's where I moved one of my snapdragons. There's that one over there as well. This is the pink Rio that was in the pot that I hadn't planted yet. I put that one there. Oh yeah. This one's a Xeon. I don't know if there's another name for these, but they say Xeon Purple on the box or the container. So
Xeon Sun.
Or Xeon Sun. Xeon Purple Sun, I think is what it was.
Yeah. So
the little yellow snapdragon we put there last night. Most of these in the back, if not all of them, are either a stock snapdragon or ranculus flower over here. Yeah, those two were actually in the same pot right there. My husband was pointing those out for you guys.
These are all the same.
Oh yeah, yeah, they are all the same. But those two came in the same pot. It was kind of nice. We have right in the front here is a snapdragon. That one had a purple flowers. That one in the back is a stock flower. That's just the name of it. It's called stock flower. The little orange ranculus right there used to be on the other side of the garden area. This little yellow one here has a giant yellow one in the middle. I'm not sure. I'll have to go around so you can see it. Or maybe he can get a better view. There you guys go. It just came that way. It came that way, so that's okay. So we're just kind of letting it be. This big red one here wasn't that big when we planted it in there, so it was all happy now. And then we have the little white stalk one. The big ones are ranculus, and then the stalk one right there next to it. My zinnia that I got from seeds that I transplanted from inside to outside is right there. It seems to be doing a little bit better with warmer weather. I don't think it likes the cold. It's got some new growth on it. We'll go around and look at it. The red Rio that I moved right here. And then here is the other Xeon right here. And this Icelandic poppy, we're convinced it's two different poppies, but because they're so tangled up with their roots, I couldn't get them apart, so I just let them be. And then this is my other snapdragon that I have right here.
Those are tangled too.
Oh yes. This is my Burst of Joy rose. It does have rosebuds on it right here. They're little tiny ones. This stock flower isn't doing so great. We don't know why, but we did put it here just hoping that it would bounce back. But I have my white snapdragon next to it. This one and the yellow one next to it, they were tangled up together, and I think this one got a little bit of shot from me detangling them because they were in the same pot. They were another double. But it has more flower buds on it, so I'm not too worried about that one flower. Here you guys can see the issues with the zinnia. It does have a flower bud here, and it has more growth down here. But other than that, I'm just going to let it be. I tried getting more, but there was something wrong inside. I don't know what I did, but they didn't seem to work out very well. Bugs. Oh yeah, guys, make sure you guys treat your ground when you put new soil in, because you end up with flies and gnats. But here, if you can see that flower, just in case you didn't see it earlier. And this is just the back side. I'm just walking on the back side.
They're all ranculus, the ones you pointed out.
Yeah, all of these are ranculuses. All the little ones are either a stalk or a snapdragon, or the zinnia.
Except that orange one right there.
There you guys go. Just trying to get you guys a better view. And then with the Double Delight, don't get the leaves wet. It got burnt. It's not happy with me right now. Probably why it doesn't have any rosebuds right now. It's throwing a fit. But yeah. And then if you guys noticed that I didn't show any of the broccoli or lettuce in the bags, that's because they are still currently over there. I haven't found a new home for them, but I'll do that later. I'll just update you guys when that happens. Alright.
Probably put them over there is what you're going to do.
Yeah, I might move them out of the bag and just pluck them in here somewhere. Alright guys, so thank you guys for staying with us and seeing the updates. I'm going to give you guys one last little tour, so that way in case you didn't see anything or if I missed anything, and then we'll sign off together. Yeah. So let's start over here. Try to avoid the flag.
A little further back.
There we go. And then I noticed one little guy. want to show you guys real quick. We officially have ladybugs for the season. Yay! No more aphids. Alright. Thank you guys all for watching.
You gonna do that?
I did. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. If you can like, comment, subscribe, that'd be awesome. Bye!